Hi guys, my name is Lily and today I want to fish with this traditional African fish trap. Stay tuned. Okay, so I got this fish trap from the local people here and that's what they traditionally use for fishing, besides fishing with nets and with hooks. And this fish trap here is made from a lion. They could also have used bamboo, but actually they told me that, you know, they have some kind of animal which is a little bit like a beaver, and that animal is able to destroy a trap which is made from bamboo, and the lion is much more stable and this animal can't really chew through the lion. So that's why they have chosen the lion as building material for this trap. Alright, so how does this trap work? It's pretty simple. There's a cone on the top here and the cone has a hole, and the fish will swim through the hole because either it's the only way to swim through or because it smells a bait, and then it's trapped at the inside. It can't find the way out anymore, and yeah, that's basically how you trap the fish. Now this trap in particular has two cones inside, so this is the first one, and then they have installed another cone inside here in the middle, and that's just to make sure that you really catch the fish, that it really can't find the way out of the trap again. And as you can see, the trap here has the hole on the bottom, so it's not in the center but at the bottom, because the local people told me that you should place the trap in like so, because then most of the fish they swim on the ground and then they will find an easier way into the trap. So if you put in the trap like so, it's not very probable that you will catch a fish. So this is the placement, the right placement of this trap. And also they told me that I should place the opening against the stream. So the water is coming from up here and going down there, and now I have to set in my trap with the opening downstream. Alright, so now I want to set up the trap, and an old lady from the village told me that I can set it in like this with using a bait, but I can also use the trap without a bait, but then I need to make a barrier besides the trap so that the fish wants to go into the opening, into the hole. Alright, so I have found a very good spot where I want to place my trap. Here in the middle of the river there's a big boulder. I can use that for setting up my barrier, and at the other side it's very shallow, and now I want to take this branch here and set it across the river like this. And now I will make a barrier, and then I set the trap here, and then all of the fish has to go through my fish trap. Alright, I have a couple of sticks here which I'm now gonna stick in front of the logs, and gladly the soil is sandy so I can really stick them in there. Now I take my trap and I set it underneath the logs. Just have to make sure that the opening is downwards. Okay. Then I take this other stick and put it into the ground. And I attach the trap to the stick here so it doesn't float away. Okay, next I want to take some leaves and put them in front of the barrier so that the fish can swim through easily. And yeah, fish always take the path of the least resistance, so they would rather go into the trap than finding their way through the leaves. Okay, that's fine. I just checked for holes. So there's a hole down here, so I need more leaves to close it. Okay, now it's time to camouflage the trap itself, because you know, the fishermen here, they use this trap very often, and fish start to recognize the trap. So it's important that you cover it with leaves, and then the fish think it's just, you know, some grass or something and leafy brush, and yeah, then they will go inside more likely than if you just leave the trap open like this. I have successfully set up the trap. Now it's time to wait, and in a couple of hours I will take out the trap and see if we were lucky. I'm lighting the fire with okume resin again. It's highly flammable, and you can get it from a certain tree which is called okume in the rainforest. Two small fish. Wow. Okay, I get it out. Okay, let's get the fish out. 1, 2. I'm going to eat both of them, but this one here has very sharp spikes, so I have to cut them off, otherwise it would hurt me. Okay, now he's dead, and now I'm going to cut off the spikes. Okay, that's it. Alright, the catfish doesn't have any scales on it, so I don't need to scale it, but this small one here has a couple of scales, and now I just get them off with my knife here. Today I'm going to cook the fish in these leaves, which are edible. So I'm just going to wrap them inside of the leaf, like this. Make a small package. And now I'm going to set it into the coals. Now let's wait for about 10 to 15 minutes and then the fish should be done. Okay, I think the fish is done. Let's get it out of the coals and have a look. Bon appétit! The catfish tastes very good. Well guys, this was how to catch a fish in a traditional African fish trap. Pretty awesome. So I want to thank you for watching and stay tuned till next time.